Hey y'all, I'm kind of sort of in between rainstorms again, and I need to pick peas, so I'm hoping the rain will hold off long enough for me to get the peas in. It's calling for rain all the rest of the week. Maybe by the weekend it might ease up some. I'm actually getting a little bit sprinkled on out here, but harvesting waits for no one. Part of these I'm picking just a little bit early, but I kind of like my peas a little bit on the smaller side, like the new peas. And I'm also a little worried about them getting away from me with all the rain and stuff. It's not ideal to pick your veggies like this in the rain. Too much water in them, in the veggies and stuff, they swell up. But if I let them go too long, they'll stop producing entirely. And yeah, the rain's starting up again, but I guess I won't melt. As long as it's not a thunderstorm and I have to deal with the lightning and stuff, which I haven't seen any of. This is just kind of a gentle rainstorm. As far as I know, my little wren's still in here. I've seen her fly in and out a few times. I think that's it on this one. Let's go over and check out this one over here. These really are absolutely loaded with peas. Which is a good thing. I really wanted enough peas this year to actually fix a few servings for myself and share them with my sister. I've noticed the Lincolns are just a little bit behind the spring blush peas. And the spring blush are a little bit behind the Tom Thumb over there. So it's almost like a succession planted, but I really didn't do it on purpose with these. Oh, there's strawberry there. Okay, this is what I've got. Not a very big harvest, and of course a little strawberry here, but it's enough to keep the peas producing and not letting them get away from me. Anyway, I'm gonna go back inside, y'all, and do some pea shelling and enjoy my one little strawberry. And oh, there's another pea right there. You know I've missed a whole lot of them. There we go. Okay, y'all. I will talk to y'all later.